In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this network requires registration on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings. And if you go to Internet and we're going to click on Internet Settings, then we're going to click on Connect to this network. And then it says this network requires user registration. So what we're going to do is how to resolve this is if we're going to click on the Wi-Fi again and we're going to click on change settings, we're going to scroll down and to DNS settings, we're going to change the primary DNS. We're going to click on it and what we're going to do is we're going to change it to 001.001.001.001. Then we're going to click on OK and then we're going to click on save. And then if we're going to click again on connect to this network, connection successful, guys. And this is how you fix this network requires registration on the Nintendo Switch 2.